Hello Sweetie Pies, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, your beauty Dona here, and in today's video, we are going to do a one brand tutorial, which is going to be very interesting because I am going to test out new products, all new products from a brand called Pink Flash. These are very cute products, you guys. I am in love with the cute packaging. So I have full face makeup of this brand, and without wasting more time, let's start the video. So I have prepped my face. I've applied the moisturizer and primer because this brand does not have any primer as far as I know. So I am going to use the foundation from this. So this is the first product, which is foundation, and the shade which I am going to use today is warm beige number 3. So it is a warm color of my tone, I guess. So let's see how it is. So this is how the product is. The consistency is runny, not too runny, but yeah, the consistency is runny. So I'm going to use a beauty sponge and I will apply this on my face. I am impressed with the coverage so far. Okay, so can you see the coverage? I mean, I was not expecting this kind of coverage from this foundation because it is very affordable one. Okay, so let's move on towards the concealer and we will see in the end how the foundation goes after setting it up and doing all the makeup on it. This is their Pink Flash Lasting Matte Concealer. The shade number is 03. Let's see how the concealer is. Can you see the coverage of this concealer? I was not really expecting this. This is so full coverage. Okay, so the concealer is so full coverage. Okay, so now I'm going to use the eyeshadows. For eyeshadow, I have a very cute palette. This palette is literally very cute. This is number 2. I mean, can you see? These are the 6 shades, very pretty shades, and these are the 4, what do you call that? Highlighter, 2 blushes, and this one is the contour shade. And these are 3 matte, 2 foils, and 1 glitter shade. So yeah, we are going to create an eye look with this palette today. So firstly, I'm going to use this pink shade in my transition. Let's see the pigmentation. Oh, these are super pigmented and it blends so beautifully. Okay, so now you can see the look very clearly. So this shade is really very pigmented and it glides very beautifully. It is blending like a dream. Okay, so now I will take this deep red shade. This is a very pretty red shade. Okay, so I've pressed the pigment. Now I will blend it a little bit with a clean brush. I'm blending the edges. Okay, so in the middle of the eyelid, I will use this shade. It is a very pretty glittery shade. So for putting on the glitter, I'll make a base with this highlighter shade and I will apply this on my eyelid. I am basically doing a hello eye look because this palette made me do this. Now I'll apply this glitter shade. Can you see this glitter? This is amazing. This glitter is the best. I have an eyeliner from their brand and it is actually packed. I'm not an eyeliner person, but let's see how the tip of this liner is. Okay, so the tip is very precise. So I think I should apply this. The tip is very precise and it glides very smoothly. Now I will apply the shade in my lower lash line. So for mascara, I have their two products. One is their night mascara and one is their day mascara. So I don't know the difference between these two, but I will go with the day mascara and I'll make another video for their differences. What is the difference between day and night mascara? So don't forget to subscribe my channel because when I'm gonna post new video, you will get the notification. This is how the band looks like. This is their day mascara, right? So you can see the difference. It has provided a very nice length to my eyelashes. Okay, so this mascara is not giving a lot of volume or it is not making the lashes sticky. It's just giving them the length while separating them. And I personally love this. I don't know how their night mascara works like, but this one is great. Okay, so as we are done with the eye makeup, now it's time to set the face with the face powder. So this is their very cute face powder. This is their Lasting Matte Pressed Powder in the shade. It's very light. Let me read it. It's 111. So I'm using my Morphe Y11 brush and I will dip it into this. Okay, so this powder has a little bit coverage. So now coming to my favorite part, which is sculpting the face. So I have these four products, these very teeny tiny products. These are two blushes, one highlighter and one contour. Yes, so the contour I have is in the shade SO2, SO1, sorry, SO1. So I have to open up the packaging. I haven't opened these packages yet. So it has all the details here. These are what you call that ingredients and all the instructions are mentioned on this plastic. So these are all the details. The only thing which we can see on the original packaging is this pink flash and soft pigment face contour, very in a very little tiny font, and we have the expiry here. This right. Can you see the product? It's so tiny. Okay, so I think I'm working with some miniature or some kids makeup. It's so tiny. I mean, this is literally this much small. So I'm using my Morphe R14 brush for contouring. Okay, so I think this powder is pigmented. Let's see. Okay, okay, it is pigmented. I am very much impressed with this powder. I mean this contour. It has contoured my nose very nicely and the face is also very nicely sculpted. And the shade is perfect for my skin tone. Okay, so now moving towards the blush on. Okay, so for blush I have these two mini tiny blushes and this is in the shade 001, which is a very pretty shimmery peach blush. Yes, it is in peach tone and it has a very subtle glow in it. Whereas the other shade is PO2, which is in pink tone and it is not shimmery, it is matte. So these are the two shades. I'm really very confused about this. I think I will go with this matte one because we're gonna apply the highlighter later on. This is very tiny. Ooh, it's so cute. Okay, so it gives a very pretty pigment. It is not looking too pinky. It's just a very natural kind of blush. Okay, so I think I should apply the second blush on this side. I want to test out both shades. This is the shimmer one. Okay, so this one is more pigmented. The payoff is more than this one, but both of these are looking quite similar. The matte one is buildable and it is very natural, but the shimmer one, the shimmery one is actually very pigmented. You don't need to build it up. I'm applying the matte one on my nose because the shimmer one is very pigmented. I don't want that much pigment on my nose. A little bit on my chin, because why not? Now it's time for highlighter. And for highlighter, another teeny tiny product which is in the shade H01. It is a golden highlighter and they have, I think they have just two shades in highlighter. This one is the golden one and the other one is the champagne one, which is in this palette. So I thought I should try the second shade, so I got both of their shades. So let me swatch this. Oh, it is pretty. It is not too golden, it is a very warm highlighter and I like it. I am using my Morphe R36 brush for applying highlighter. Okay, so the look is almost done and now it's time for lips. Okay, so for lipstick I have these three shades. One is matte and two are glosses. I'll show you the shades. So the first one is a gloss G04. So this is how the applicator is and I'll apply it here. It's a very pretty gloss. And the second one is N04. Another very pretty shade. And this is the third one. Another gloss. N04 is basically the matte one. And these G04 and G02 are the glossy ones. These shades are very similar. This one is a little bit coralish and this is more pinkier tone and this is the Barbie doll kind of pink. So I will apply, I think I will go with, I am so confused. I will go with G04. Okay, so their applicator is very nice for application. Okay, so this look is done and you can see how nicely it turned out. So I think these products are a must have in your vanity. I literally love all these products. So this was all about my review. I am going to review these products individually. Maybe I will review these products individually to make easier for everyone to reach the right content. Maybe I'll do that. If you guys want to see, comment down below. If you guys want me to review any other product, then please comment down. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.